Hi everyone, I am Anil Kumar, motivation speaker. Today I am going to talk about how to write examinations of LLB 3 year and 5 year. Many of the students they know the subject, theme they know, everything they know. That presentation they don't know how to present it to score the good marks in LLB especially. So within a span of 3 hours time, how to utilize the time effectively and efficiently, I'm going to explain today. This is the Bible, what we can say for you all. I will explain with practically. I'm showing. I have written some few key points, which is very essential while writing your examinations of 3 year and 5 year LLB. Presentation is very important, and how to manage the time in 3 hours, that is also very important. Without presentation of your points, you cannot able to score, you may fail. So if you can't manage the time also, definitely we are going to fail. Today I am going to cover how to write your examination and how to manage the time very effectively and efficiently. I'm going with new syllabus first and old syllabus second. I have already earlier video I have explained, like new syllabus what is the pattern of questions, and old syllabus the what is the pattern of questions, that I have explained the same procedure itself. How to write your LLP examination, I'm going to explain today. It is very important that how to manage the time and how to write your LLB exams. It is very much essential. So some of the very good tips I'm going to explain. For new syllabus, we have around 10, 10 questions, 10 marks, and 10 questions, 6 marks. Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, it will be covered overall, it will be covered, and they will be give 10 marks questions of 10 and 6 marks questions of 10. Among you have to choose 5 each respectively. Like 10 marks question, you have to prefer, you have to make choice of 5 questions, and 6 marks questions among 10 you have to choose 6 questions. Sorry, 5 questions. It is very important that which question you are going to prefer first. That is very important. You can mention the question number and you can continue with that. So 10 for 10 marks questions, I will explain, like I made some key points. Just have a look on. You can take a photocopy of this. You can able to see. This is for new syllabus, 10 marks question and 5 marks question. This is for old syllabus and new pattern. This is also 16 marks question and 20 marks question. We can say 16 marks questions will be right, 5 questions will be there, 10 questions will be there. Among you have to choose 5 questions, and 20 marks 2 questions will be there. You have to choose one question. We come to the point of new syllabus. In new syllabus, there will be 10 marks questions. 10 marks question I have shown how to write. First is introduction. Introduction should be 3 to 4 lines. along with sections or articles whichever we required. Some question they might have not like section or subsections articles, but if the question is applicable for section or subsection or articles, you please specific with that in the introduction itself. Introduction should more not more than that 3 to 4 lines. And for that question, next definition is required. One definitions you have to write mandatorily if it is applicable. Sometimes questions, some questions may not applicable definitions. For that you need not to write, but if applicable, definitely you have to write one definition. Then for 10 marks question, you have to make key points of 5 to 10 key points. We have to write it. If 5 key points, you have to mention 3 to 4 lines of description of each key points. If you mention 10 key points, 2 lines is enough for description. Each 10 key points, you have to make description of each 2 lines. Then after case laws, 2 case laws are mandatory. 2 case laws are mandatory which you need to write to score good marks in LLB. 2 case laws you have to write. If you have write and if you have time you can write 3 also, but 2 is enough. And some questions it will be applicable like illustrations. If applicable, you make 1 or 2 illustrations. If some questions may not applicable like uh, if if we go through contract law, criminal law, property law, uh, some other laws, there will be always like illustrations will be there. So that if we write illustration with examples, we can score very easily good marks. And then next is conclusion. Conclusion should not 3 to 4 lines. It's only 3 to 4 lines is enough conclusion. Next is 10 marks question should not exceed 3 page of university booklet. You should not cross more than 3 pages. If you cross 3 pages, you don't get sufficient time to write, and you will leave like two 1 or 2 questions you will leave, so you can't manage the time. My motto is to manage the time within the time bound, and you have to complete all those questions, and you have to get good marks. My intention is to you have to get good marks, so should not exceed 3 pages for 10 marks, and maximum time should not take 25 minutes. For each question you should not take 25 minutes. Sometimes if you complete 20 minutes means that is good. You will get lot of time to review after that. So maximum should not exceed 25 minutes of each question, means 10 marks question should not exceed 25 minutes. Then coming to 6 marks question. 6 mark question you can able to see. I have made it for, you can make a note of it in your notebook. These points are very much essential for you people. For 6 marks question, introduction 3 to 4 lines is mandatory, and if that particular question which if required, section, subsection or articles to be mentioned mandatorily. Then next is one definition is required. You need to write definition if it is applicable. Then key points, minimum 3 to 6 key points which is required to write. For each key points, if it is 3 points, you have to make 3 to 4 lines. If it is mentioned 6 key points, at least 2 lines description is mandatory to write it. Then after that, case law is one is enough. If it is applicable, case law, if one is enough, and if applicable illustration, one illustration is enough for that 6 mark question. Please don't neglect 10 marks question and 6 marks question. We should uh, think in the same manner of both. We have to give preference to the both questions, like 5 marks, 6 marks question and 10 marks questions. Then after that, conclusion is 2 to 3 lines are enough. This question answers should not cross 1.5 pages of university booklet. I'm talking about university booklet. For 10 marks question should not cross not more than 3 pages. For 6 mark question should not cross not more than 1.5 pages. 1 page is enough, but 1.5 pages, because we have to write conclusion and we have to write introduction, but theme also we have to write. So for that, 1.5 pages are required to score good marks in LLB for 6 marks questions. 1.5 page should not exceed. Then for 6 marks question should not take not more than 10 minutes. You have to maintain the time specifically. You have to you have to please tie your watch in your hand, and please frequently, at least 15 minutes, 10 minutes, you have to see your watch. The time sense is very important to score in LLB examination. Without time sense, you cannot able to score good marks in LLB. This is for new syllabus. I have completed for new syllabus. I hope this you have been understood. If you have any doubts, you can contact to me in the below description. You can mention your comments so that I can give that your questions answers I can give. Then you will come to the old syllabus. You will have a pattern of 16 marks questions and 20 marks questions. In that, you can able to see here. Once again, I will show. You can please make a note of it. This is very important. If you score good marks in LLB, at least you can able to pass very easily if you follow these tips. This is my own practical experience I'm sharing with you all. Please take a note of it. My motto is to every case a student get passed within first attempt. So if you have confidence, if you have a will to pass it, definitely you can able to pass it. That is not a big issue for to pass your examination case issue. Many of the students are struggling like anything, but they have lack of knowledge to write, and they have no lack of knowledge how the tips. Uh, so that is the reason I'm making these points personally. I'm explaining you all to definitely these points will be going to get benefit. Coming to the point of old syllabus, for 16 marks questions, introduction 4 to 5 lines along with section, subsection or articles is mandatory. Along with that, if you write in introduction section or subsection articles, the evaluator will come to know at least he has studied, he knows section. First impression is best impression. If they see the way of presentation, we can you can get very good marks. So that is the reason section, subsection are mandatory. Sometimes what happens in key points also, sections will be coming, like what are the, I can give example, what are all the welfare provisions. There are many provisions of welfare under Factories Act. You will have a each points there is a section. If you know section, you write it. Otherwise, in the introduction itself, welfare measures from when to when section, at least you have to mention. If you don't know, sometimes what happens, for keeping, you cannot keep remember all the points with sections. So in that time, what you need to do is, at least in the introduction itself, you can mention from section this section to that section, this welfare provision will be going to they have given in the law, like that you have to write it. Then next is definitions. For 16 marks question, definition, two definitions are mandatory, because you have to score 16 marks. Means 16 marks means it is required more answer to write compared to 10 marks questions. So that is the reason you have to write at least minimum two definitions. Then after that, key points. For any 16 marks key points, at least minimum 10 to 15 key points required. For if it is 15 key points you have mentioned, at least two lines description is mandatory. For each key points, two lines description you have to provide it. If you have mentioned at least your 10 key points, at least 3 lines description is mandatory to write it your examinations. So next is case laws. Minimum two case laws we have to write for 16 marks questions if it is applicable. Some questions might not be applicable for case laws. For that you don't need to write, whether it could be illustration, whether it could be a case laws. You need not to write. Some other questions you have to, some specific questions will be there. For that case laws are mandatory. Some questions are there, case laws are not mandatory, but you need not to write in that. You please go through your questions properly, then only will come to know is it necessary to write, is it necessary not to write. So next is illustrations. If it is applicable that questions, illustrations you have to write it, especially contract law, criminal law, and property law. The illustrations are most common. Please be specific. Please go through illustrations. So if you write illustration, the evaluator will come to know he has studied well, like that. If you write with illustration with along with examples, they can easily understand what you have written here, like that. The next is, after illustration you have to make a conclusion of minimum 5 to 6 lines. You have to complete it with that particular 16 marks questions. So if you maintain like this, you can score easily 16 out of 15, 14, like that you can easily score. Next, this for timings, for each question you should not take more than 25 minutes. 25 minutes is fair enough to write 16 marks question, should not exceed 25 minutes. And for coming to pages, university booklet, minimum 4 pages are mandatory to write to score examinations. I'm talking about how to score good marks in LLB. This will be applicable for to take care of good marks, like excellent and outstanding grade. If you if you have concern with that excellent and outstanding grade, definitely will get pass. You can get good to you can get very good, you can get excellent, you can get outstanding. So 25 minutes it's required. Then you will coming to 20 marks question. There will be a two questions of 20 marks. You have among two questions you have to choose one question. So from that introduction, 5 to 6 lines are along with section, subsection, articles are mandatory. Definitions minimum two, if applicable we have to write two definitions. Then key points minimum 15 to 18 points are required to score 20 marks questions. If 18 key points, if you return 18 key points, at least minimum two lines descriptions are mandatory to complete 18 points along with two lines description. Then if you return 15 points, means 2 to 3 lines also we have to make description of those key points. Then case laws, for 20 questions, minimum 3 case laws are mandatory. If it is applicable, please write 3 case laws. You can get scores, because compared to 10 marks question, 16 marks question, there will be little gap for to achieve your scores. So if you write more, then only you can get 20 marks question highly. You can score highly. Then illustration two minimum you have to write it illustrations. Then come to the conclusion, minimum 5 to 6 lines are mandatory to close the conclusion. And for 20 marks question, minimum 5 pages, booklet, for university booklet we have to complete it, then only we can able to score for 20 marks. Then maximum time limit for this question to answer it, not more than 30 minutes. So if you follow these tips, you will left out around 10 minutes. From 10 minutes, please make a note of it, underline it. Please make underline it, like introduction, please underline it. Definitions, you underline it. Key points, for all key points you underline it. And case laws of also underline it. For conclusion also you underline it. If you use black ball pen, you can use gel pen as an underline. For underline, you can use gel black pen, and for blue, if you use blue ball point, you can use blue gel pen for making underlines. If you make underline effectively, the presentations will come very nicely. For evaluator will get impressed which you have written. For go through, it is impression is required to get score mark, to score good marks. So that is the reason presentation is very much essential to score your good marks. I think these benefits will be going to wonder for your LLB exams. Do well, all the best for your exams. After completion of your exams, I will give more and more tips. Nobody can give these tips because practically experienced. That is the reason I am making this video, to get benefit of this. So definitely will going to get benefit. Please do subscribe my channel Anil Kumar KT. Please do forward this video as much as possible your friends and your colleagues, your etc., so that they will be get benefited of my video. Once again, wish you all the very best for your examination, 3-year LLB and 5-year LLB. Do well, all the very best. Thank you.